Hey guys, in this video I'm going to review this generic clear transparent case for the iPhone 17, 17 Pro or Pro Max. So I've recently just got this case, bought it online for a few dollars. You can get this from Amazon for very cheap, just a few dollars. However, you may compromise on quality on this case if you are buying a cheap one. So you can see here this case is quite flexible. The plastic is quite thin. You can see here I can bend, and that shows it's quite weak on the frame around here. Even this plastic right here looks quite thin. It does fit into the iPhone, so we can place it in. So here I can place it in like this. It will fit nicely. This is the iPhone 17 Pro. It's got the button here. Because of the thinness of the case, so pressing on the button is a brief, very easy to press on and off. At the back here, it fits nicely and hugging all the camera lens. So this one will cover the whole compartment. Now with this particular case, if you have a camera lens protector, especially the large one, then this case will not be compatible. You will need to buy a case with a cutout if you are having a lens protector, a glass lens protector. This one here have an enclosement section which already provide protection for your camera lens, not the camera lens but the camera compartment. So the lens here still left open to be exposed. So if you want, you can buy the camera lens, just the glass one, to cover each of the lens, and the one down here as well. So either buy a full lens protector with a cutout, or if you buy this case, you can buy the small glass lens covering each individual camera lens. Here at the corner, it has a bumper, like an air pocket bumper. This serves on the purpose if you happen to drop your phone on a corner, it will provide a cushion to give your phone some protections. In terms of the front here, it has a raised bump, so that if your phone's put down on the table like this, it doesn't scratch the surface of your screen. So you can swap like this on the tables, and we do that a lot of the time. We place the phone down that way, and this kind of provide protections for your phone with this raised bumper. At the top, at the back, because we have this bulging out camera, so this bumper here will not serve any purpose, but it keep the whole case in uniform, so the top will be looking similar to the one at the bottom. So here we've got a razor as well at the bottom on each of the corners. And apart from that, all the buttons are easy. It has a proper nice cutout for the camera button. It has a holes here for the speakers and microphone. There's no microphone at the bottom here, I think. There is a cutout for the USB charging cables. So the cutout is quite big, so it will fit most of the charging cables. So you can see I'll plug it in. It fits in perfectly at the bottom. Again, if you go online, this is a generic case. You will find most of the clear case with a few dollars will be like exactly like this one. They are very generic, and it's only a few dollars. And that's it. That is the clear case. So if you're thinking of getting it, they're not bad. I don't think it will give you a full protection on your phone. If you drop it, it may provide a little bit of protections, but potentially it can still cause cracks on the screen with this case here, I believe. However, even though it's low in quality, it provides a very good grip on the hand. Without the case, I feel the phone is quite slippery and can easily slip out of my hand and falling freely on the floor. So with this case, it provides some sort of comfort and reassurance that the phone will stay tight in my hand. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video.